Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply opening our Google Play Store. Now, if you are not signed in onto a Google account, you have to sign in into a Google account, otherwise Play Store won't be really usable. After you have done that, you want to go into search, head into search bar and simply start typing in Facebook. Now as you can see, we want to generally speaking ignore our sponsored, since the sponsored section usually has some random application that isn't Facebook. Now as you can see, I do have Facebook installed, but I can just easily uninstall it. And now this is a view that you should normally see, and as you can probably guess, all you want to do is simply hit install button in order to install Facebook onto your OnePlus Nord 5. And after that is done, you should be able to just open it and log in and waste your time endlessly doom scrolling through random posts. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.